Did you know that people worldwide are making an extra $2.8 trillion online each year? That's right, trillion with a T. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy, but a reality for countless individuals around the globe. The digital realm has become a treasure trove of opportunities, transforming the lives of many. It's not just about adding a few extra dollars to your bank account. It's about financial freedom, achieving dreams, and breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind. Imagine tapping into this vast online goldmine where geographical boundaries don't matter, and you're not limited by traditional business hours. The potential is immense, and the best part is it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a dash of determination. Over the next few minutes, we'll peel back the layers of this digital treasure chest and reveal 5 secret methods that can help you tap into this online goldmine. However, the path to online income isn't always smooth sailing. There's a sea of information out there, and it can be challenging to navigate. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But the haystack is the internet, and the needle is that reliable source of online income. You may spend hours, days, or even weeks trawling through websites and videos, only to end up feeling overwhelmed and confused. Then there's the issue of guidance. Sure, there are countless online courses and self-proclaimed gurus promising to lead you to the promised land of online income. But how many of them can you really trust? And even if you do find someone trustworthy, the cost of their courses might make your wallet wince. Resources can also throw a wrench in the works. You may need specific software or hardware to start earning online, and these can often come with hefty price tags. But don't fret, we're about to share secrets that can overcome these challenges. Now, let's delve into the 5 secret methods to boost your online income. Method 1 is affiliate marketing. This is the practice of promoting other people's products or services in exchange for a commission on any sales made through your referral links. It's a great option for anyone, as it doesn't require you to have your own product or service. Moving to method 2, freelancing. This involves offering your skills or expertise to clients on a project-by-project basis. From graphic design to writing, coding to consulting, there's a demand for practically every skill you can think of. The third secret is creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from an ebook to a course, a template to a piece of software. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can be sold indefinitely, providing a potential source of passive income. Next up, method 4, drop shipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. You simply partner with a supplier who fulfills orders on your behalf. This method is particularly appealing because it requires less upfront investment than traditional retail. And finally, the 5th secret method, starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, making it an excellent platform for reaching a large audience. From tutorials to reviews, vlogs to gaming, the possibilities are endless. And while it does take time and effort to grow a channel, the potential rewards are substantial. Don't forget that our course, YouTube Mastery and Monetization, is there to guide you every step of the way. You'll find the details in the video description below. Remember, these methods are not exclusive. You can mix and match, combine, and experiment to find the approach that works best for you. With these methods, you're well on your way to boosting your online income. Let's take a closer look at each method and see how they work in practice. First up, affiliate marketing. Think of this as a digital age commission-based job. You promote a product or service from a company. When someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's all about finding a product you believe in and marketing it to the right audience. Secondly, we have online courses and webinars. If you possess a special skill or have extensive knowledge in a certain area, why not share it with the world? You can create an online course or host webinars and earn income from people who sign up. It's a fantastic way to share your expertise and earn additional income at the same time. Next, we delve into the world of blogging. This method might seem oversaturated, but there's always room for fresh and unique content. You can monetize your blog through advertisements, sponsored posts, or even by selling products and services. Remember, consistency and quality content are key in this arena. Fourth on our list is e-commerce. With the rise of platforms like Etsy and eBay, you can easily set up an online store and sell products directly to customers. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products, there's a market out there for virtually anything. Last, but definitely not least, we have freelancing. This method is perfect for those who prefer to work on their own terms. You can offer your services as a writer, designer, consultant, or any other skill you might have. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients and start earning. Now, here are a few tips for implementing these methods. For affiliate marketing, find products that align with your interests and values. For online courses, make sure you're offering valuable and unique content. When it comes to blogging, consistency is key, and for e-commerce, customer service is paramount. As for freelancing, networking, and building relationships can lead to long-term contracts and steady income. Remember, these methods are not get-rich-quick schemes, but proven strategies that require dedication and consistency. Among these methods, one stands out as the most effective in boosting online income. And here it is, utilizing the power of passive income. This is the secret that has the potential to transform your financial landscape. What's passive income, you ask? It's income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's like planting a seed, nurturing it until it bears fruit, and then enjoying the fruits of your labor over and over again. Imagine creating an online course or writing an ebook, putting in the work once, and then getting paid every single time someone purchases it. That's passive income. Or think about investing in stocks or real estate and earning dividends or rent. That's also passive income. With this method, your earning potential isn't tied to the number of hours you work. Instead, it's tied to the value you create. This method could be your game changer. Let's quickly recap the 5 secret methods we've discussed. First, we talked about affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. Then, we delved into drop shipping, a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Our third secret was online tutoring, a fantastic way to share your knowledge and skills while making an income. Fourth, we explored freelancing, offering your skills and services to clients worldwide. Lastly, we unveiled the power of content creation, such as starting a YouTube channel or a blog, and how it can generate substantial passive income. These methods are not just strategies. They're the keys to unlocking your online income potential. They can help you overcome struggles, provide flexibility, and bring financial independence. But remember, success will not come overnight. Just like any endeavor, it requires persistence, patience, and continuous learning. Remember, the key to online income is persistence, patience, and applying these secret methods. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up. Your support truly makes a difference and helps us continue to bring you more content like this. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. We're constantly sharing valuable insights to help you boost your bank account. Now, if you've been intrigued by the potential of having your own YouTube channel, there's a course that can help you navigate the waters. It's called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. This course is designed to guide you through the process of creating, growing, and monetizing your own channel. You can find more information in the video description below. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, so why not take that step today? Start exploring these 5 secret methods. Start your YouTube channel, start boosting your bank account. Stay tuned for more valuable content. Until then, start boosting your bank account.